Figuring out the different types of video marketing. It's very important to make sure that you have clearly reverse engineered your competitors. If it turns out that they are cranking out a specific type of video, you need to follow suit. Like I said, you don't have to copy and paste exactly what they're doing. If you did that, people really don't have much of an incentive or a reason to watch your videos because you're cranking out videos that are the copies of your competitors. Why watch your stuff when they can watch your competitors that are probably better known? They probably have better brands. Do you see how this works? You have to come up with something better. Still, you need to focus on what they are doing so you can offer something that your audience is already familiar with. You're not creating something completely new. You're not creating some sort of new market. You're not doing any of that because oftentimes when you try to do that, you fall flat on your face. With that said, you have to pick apart the type of videos your competitors are producing in your niche. Understand that marketing video types have their own set of advantages and disadvantages. To recap, you're going to be focusing on a specific type of video to find the answer to this by reverse engineering your competitors. What are the available types? Article to video, video scribe and other whiteboard video creation tools, slideshow creation tools, slideshows with voiceover, personality-focused videos. The list above includes most common types of marketing videos found on YouTube and other platforms. Your plan of attack should be pretty straightforward. You're going to zero in on the type of videos most of your competitors are offering. You're not going to do something completely different. You're not going to approach this completely from left field because while that approach sometimes works, most of the time it doesn't work. Most of the time, you just end up wasting money. So, you're going to build on what they're doing, but you're going to also make sure that the type of marketing videos your competitors are producing best fits your conversion strategy. Are you converting through a direct link? Are you converting through your blog? These are different ways of conversion. These are different conversion platforms. You have to make sure that your platform fits the type of videos you will be using to promote. Also, you have to make sure that the video type that you choose enables you to build a brand efficiently. I cannot insist on this enough. I'm telling you, if you're not building a brand, you have a commodity. That is a paraphrase from Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. He's absolutely on spot because if you don't sell a brand that people can identify with and read in all sorts of values, you're not really offering anything different from your competitors. You're back to the problem I described above where your viewers would say, well, why should I go to your website when I can get the same stuff from other websites that I already go to? You really don't have an answer to that. And that's why when your content is a commodity, people don't have a real reason to click on your links, buy stuff from you, or otherwise do things that put extra dollars in your pocket.